Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Benidorm Scooter Sue. It's another beautiful day. It's Friday the 30th of May and nearly at the end of May, and just look at the beach, it is heaving. Have you ever seen the beach this busy? I don't think there's a spare spot anywhere on that beach. We are up near the old town at the moment, but just look at that beach, guys. Of course the tide is in at the moment, so there's less beach area available. I should imagine it's on its way back out. And typically, as the tide goes out, the Spanish will move their deck chairs and sunbeds down to the shoreline, because they typically like to be as close to the sea as they can. We've got the pedalos out. I'll just show you quickly. The city is packed today. We've got another, I don't know, a YouTuber or a TikToker. Hola. He's got a much better camera than me though, guys. Puts my little farty thing to shame. I tried to use Marcus's camera the other day, his DJ Osmo. It was okay, but yeah, it's a bit of hard work. I suppose it's alright once you get used to it. But you know, it's a wider thing, so you have to sort of bring it down a bit, because I was getting an awful lot of skying on it. So as I said, we've got the pedalos out as well. We've got Tiki Town looking chock-a-block. That poor old guy's scooter's beeping, which probably means his battery's going to go. That's horrible, that is, when your mobility scooter's about to die. Starts beeping and you're just praying you can get a little bit nearer home. So we've got the massager there. I don't know how legit she is, guys, but just be careful of your belongings if you do decide to have a massage on the beach. Also, guys, as well, and we do keep warning about this, you will get someone who you sat on the beach, it's hot, you're thirsty, and they come along with a tray of delicious looking cocktails. Don't touch them, guys. They are not nice. They're made in the gutters. They're just not very hygienic. You know, it's just not worth it. It's not worth the grief. You'll be ill. They're prepared on dirty pavements. Speaking of which, we have one going down now, guys. don't buy off them, whatever you do. They're made in the gutter, literally, guys. They're made on dirty pavements. The products are stored in dirty drains. The fruit is cut up on dirty boards. In fact, I've even seen them wipe an ice cube around the head and the sweaty armpits and then just drop it in the glass. If you want to be ill for the rest of your holiday, then yeah, okay, buy one. But if you don't want a dodgy stomach, just give him a wide berth. The sad thing is though, we always warn people about these and they're charging about €10 a time. But you know what the sad thing is? People buy them. And you'll see him come back later with an empty tray to go and prepare more. You know, if he sells 5 cocktails a time, that's €50. And it's clearly worth it. You'll get a squirt of fruit juice, a bit of a squirt of an alcohol, some fruit that's been cut up on a dirty board, as I said, and then some manky ice cubes. Yeah, guys, they look lovely, but they're really not. So I've lost sight of him now. So maybe he's sold one. Now he's going back up that way. Going down onto the front line. Just avoid him, guys, if you don't want to be ill. Seriously. So again, we've got the Jolly Roger there, looking nice and busy. There's a bit more space on this bit of the beach. Daytona bars heaving. Lucky man there. Got a couple of lucky men. And while I'm on, guys, please check out the other Benidorm family channels. I have Benidorm Crazy Marcus, great channel, it's my son. And then there's Benidorm Place, my husband's channel. But better still, we have the Benidorm Mad Mike. Yes, guys, you've heard it. The channel is back, so go and check it out. Give him some love, give him some support. It's been 7 months in the making. We've had a fight, we've had to battle, but we've finally got there, guys, and the channel has been reinstated. Sadly now though, we're having a bottle with his Facebook because they've taken that down at the moment, and we're having to try and appeal about that. He's had to do like a video today proving that he is real, so we'll see where we go, whether they will reinstate his Facebook, and also just go check his channel out, guys, because it's absolutely fantastic news that he's back. Best news ever. It's really hot down here, so I think I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like, hit the share, hit subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.